Hello everyone. Today we'll be going over trigonometric functions for our prerequisite review for Math 1554 or Calculus 1. We'll start with the main three that you may or may not have heard. We have sine, cosine, and tangent. But we usually abbreviate these to sin, cos, and tan. Now sine, cosine, and tangent are trigonometric functions, which mean that they're ratios of sides of a triangle. The sine of an angle is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So if we just take any old triangle, we look at our angle, calling it theta. Our opposite side from the angle is OPP, and our hypotenuse is always the longest, or HYP. This is how a trigonometric function works. So this is sine. Cosine theta is the adjacent side's length over the hypotenuse. And the adjacent is the side next to the angle that's not the hypotenuse. Finally, tangent of theta is the opposite side length over the adjacent side length. Now, because sine, cosine, and tangent are trigonometric functions, it's not these names times the angle. These are functions of the angle. So if we wanted to get the angle by itself, we couldn't just divide by sine, cosine, and tangent. We have to take their inverse functions. So if we wanted the angle by itself, say for sine, we need to get rid of sine, so we need to multiply both sides by an inverse, or sine to the negative 1 power. Sine and inverse sine will cancel out, and we'll be left with theta, or the angle, equals sine to the negative 1 power, or inverse sine. And now it's still a function of opposite over hypotenuse. And we can do this for all three. So when we solve different triangles, you can use the appropriate trigonometric functions and their sides to figure out either the angles or the side lengths. An easy way to remember sine, cosine, and tangent is so, ka, and toa, where the first letters are the functions, and the last two letters are the sides, where O is opposite, A is adjacent, and H is hypotenuse.